Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to format a text in Notion. In order to format your text in Notion, you will have to select the portion of the text that you want to format. Then up here this bar will appear and here you have the format option. You can turn this text into headings, pages, bulleted lists, number list, to-do list, toggle list, quote, even quote or callouts, or all of these options right here. You can also make it bold if you want, so I will select it again so I can show you. Make it bold or make it italic. You can also underline it if you want or strike through. Now here you can mark it as code if you want or mark as equation. You can do all of this formatting just in Notion. You can also, as you can see, paste a link to search the pages. So choose which formatting do you like and click on this three dot option if you want to do more to your text, like color for example. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.